Hi there, Vladimir here, with another video about how to learn Japanese. To learn Japanese, or any other foreign language for that matter, all you need is two things: compelling content and good dictionaries. That's all. Now, I can't help you with the first part, compelling content, for it's 100% subjective. But I can help you with the second requirement, i.e. good dictionaries. Here is my favorite Japanese-English dictionary, Takoboto.jp. Hands down, my favorite bilingual dictionary, and here is why. Let me start with the user interface. Super clean, with no annoying ads or banners. For now. The first thing Takoboto does is give you the reading of the kanji and show the schematic of its pitch accent. One of few dictionaries to do so. Super important. The reading is computer generated, but if you click this square here, you can go to forvo.com and hear the word pronounced by a native speaker.
学ぶ
Or even speakers.
学ぶ
学ぶ
学ぶ学ぶ
Super cool. The next thing Takoboto gives is, of course, the English translation. So let me give you my only complaint about Takoboto. My only complaint about Takoboto is that it doesn't give us the monolingual definition of each word. Which is not that big of an issue because we can get it by clicking the same square here and check out weblio.jp. Here, benkyou suru. Super cool and more importantly, useful. The next thing Takoboto gives us is a bit of grammar or verb conjugations. Pretty comprehensive. Next up is stroke order to help you learn how to write your kanji/word. And last but not least, plenty of example sentences with the new word. All with computer-generated pronunciations.
外国語を学ぶのは難しい
Not the best, but better than nothing. A super useful bilingual Japanese-English dictionary. By far my favorite. Now, if you want to see how I use Takoboto and a few other dictionaries to learn Japanese, then you might want to check out my online course, aptly titled How to Learn Japanese. Link in the description. You have one life. Don't waste it.